Welcome to part 2 of our Los Angeles student tips on how to get started, get around, and enjoy the city of angels to the fullest. Continuing from the last video, here are our best tips to make the most of your student life in Los Angeles. Use public transport. You probably won't have a car while studying abroad, but this is not a problem at all. Let us tell you that public transport in LA is very cheap and easy to use. You will be able to go all around the city and quickly feel like a local. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try renting a bike for the day to explore the city on your own? Companies across the city have great deals for students, so make sure to check them out. Visit the outskirts of LA. Many people visiting LA never leave the city because there is a lot to do. It's definitely true. However, it's a shame because the city is full of nature and perfect when you need a little fresh air and some beautiful landscape views. So don't forget to check out all the classic outdoor adventures around the city. The Hollywood Sign Hike is a great way to get yourself outdoors and explore a new area of LA. Plus, who doesn't want to see the Hollywood sign up close? Work while studying. I know there is a lot to discover in the City of Angels, and so it is easy to sometimes forget that studying abroad includes actual studying. LA, among many other things, is a student city, so there are many lovely libraries where you can work peacefully or nice coffee shops that are known to be good spots for students. So if you want to get a recognized accreditation for your CV, or you are looking for assistance in finding a management position in hospitality, we will be able to help you enhance your resume while working at luxury hotels or Michelin star restaurants in Los Angeles. Those are the most important things to keep in mind while living in Los Angeles. If you haven't applied to our program and want to do so in order to try out a life-changing experience in Los Angeles, please send an email to admissions@hospitalityacademy.com and we will contact you soon. We hope you get a great study experience in Los Angeles.